Hey guys, it's Mark, the mental marketer. You want to write great emails. You want your emails to be opened and people to respond. You want your subscribers to click around and hopefully make a purchase. Other people seem to have great open rates. What about you? If you think you've got nothing to learn about emails, then this video is not for you. But if you feel you could take it up a notch, then watch this video as I break down the top 5 mistakes to avoid when composing emails. Avoid these mistakes so your emails won't go straight to the... Stick around to the end to see the one email that almost broke the top 5 by itself. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. Let's get right to it. Number 1 mistake to avoid: email and text being too crowded. In this example, there's too much text in the subject line to understand the message. There's also too much text in the body of the email. A lot of this text could have been condensed or just plain deleted. With just a little time to read, this email is too busy to clearly and easily understand. It's as if they didn't want to miss anything. It could be improved if just the major points were outlined. This email would go straight to the... Number 2, don't be boring. People are very busy, attention spans are short, and email alerts from their phone can come all day long. If you want to stand out and get attention today, your emails need to be exciting. This email is not exciting, and this email would go straight to the... Number 3, copying and pasting. If you're doing this, please stop. Or at the very least, please read the email before you send it out to anyone. Let's read some lines in this particular swipe file. Trust that this world is abundant and all you have to do is tap into it. Share with as many people as you can, and your income will take care of itself. Seriously. Emails are a part of your sales funnel, and sales funnels are about communication. For best results, you should communicate to your subscribers in the language they are familiar with. When your communication is not in sync with their communication, it can turn them off completely, maybe never to return again. I'm not sure what target market this was written for, but for me, this email would go straight to the... Number 4, inconsistent communication. If I sign up for an email about electronics, I'm not expecting to see furniture ads in the email. In this example, this email goes from electronics to furniture to air purifiers. This seems to be an attempt to throw darts at the wall and just hope something sticks. Email messaging should be consistent and promote complementary items. This email would go straight to the... Number 5. This email almost made the top 5 with just this one email alone. There were arguably some of the absolute worst things you can do if you don't want your emails opened. I can't say that I didn't see this one coming. This is an email that I received from a company that sends me 3 to 4 messages a day. That's mistake number 1. When your phone is set for email alerts, it can get annoying to see the same company over and over again. You don't want your emails associated with annoying thoughts. Mistake number 2, unsolicited. I signed up for travel-related content, and this email has nothing to do with travel. Mistake 3, straight to the offer. No introduction of the offer or explanation of the offer. But wait, there's more. Mistake number 4, duplicate ads and a totally unrelated ad for solar panels. I signed up for travel deals with this company, but I'm much less likely to purchase anything because they violated my trust. I would not be surprised if this company had serious issues with its open and conversion rates. This email would go straight to the... Emails are one way to communicate in the sales funnel process, and sales funnels are all about communication. My recommendation is to always remember that there's a real human on the other side of your PC that will actually read your email, and do your best to have a real conversation with them. I've taken great care to craft emails that generate engagement, open rates, and conversions. If you want my #1 tool that changed the game for me, check the comments for more info. Until next time, talk to you soon.